Now we are coming on exercise 4.1, question number 1. Check whether the following are quadratic equations. The first equation which is given to us is x plus 1 whole square is equal to 2x minus 3. We'll simplify it. X plus 1 whole square, it can be opened using the formula a plus b whole square is equal to a square plus b square plus 2ab. In place of a we have x and in place of b we have 1. So it becomes a square is x square plus b square is 1 square plus 2ab. 2 is multiplied by x and then it is multiplied by 1. It remains 2x. Now here we are opening the bracket. This 2 it is getting multiplied by x. 2 multiplied by x is 2x. Negative sign is here. So we have placed here negative sign. Then this 2 is getting multiplied by 3. It becomes 6. X square, it is x square 1 square plus 2x. Now what we have done is this 2x from right hand side we have taken it to the left hand side. When we are taking it to the left hand side we have to place this negative sign. Then again this minus 6 from right hand side it is taken to the left hand side, then it becomes plus 6 is equal to 0. There is 0 as on right hand side no terms are left. Now see here this plus 2x minus 2x will be cancelled out. We are getting x square plus 1 square plus 6 is equal to 0. X square plus 1 plus 6 it is 7 is equal to 0. Now see this x square plus 7 it can be written as x square plus 0 plus 7 is equal to 0. As when 0 is added to any terms it remains same. Now x square it can be written as 1 multiplied by x square. When 1 is multiplied by x square it remains only x square. This 0 can be written as 0 multiplied by x. 0 multiplied by x we have 0. Plus 7 is equal to 0. When we see this equation in place of a, here it is 1. So we have value of a as 1 and coefficient of x it is 0. So b is equal to 0 and the constant term is 7. Therefore it is of the form ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0. So the given equation is a quadratic equation. Now see here it's sixth part. Sixth part is x square plus 3x plus 1 is equal to x minus 2 whole square. Or it can be written as x square plus 3x plus 1 is equal to x minus 2 whole square. We are opening it using the formula a minus b whole square is equal to a square plus b square minus 2ab. Now see here, in place of a we have x, so x square. In place of b we have 2 square it is 4 minus 2ab. Minus 2 2s are 4 and when multiplied by x it is 4x. Now we will take all the terms on the left hand side, x square plus 3x plus 1. This x square from right hand side we have taken to left hand side, it becomes minus x square. This plus 4, this is taken to left hand side, it becomes minus 4. This plus minus 4x, it is taken to left hand side, it becomes plus 4x is equal to 0. Now see here x square minus x square will be cancelled out. This 3x is added to 4x, it becomes 7x and minus 4 plus 1. One is having negative sign, another one is having positive sign. We have to find out the difference. Difference is 3. As 4 is a greater number, before 4 there is a negative sign. So we have to place here negative. So we are getting the equation 7x minus 3 is equal to 0. It is not a quadratic equation as degree of this equation is 1. Power of x is 1. That's why we can't say it as quadratic equation as degree of this x is 1. Now after this we are coming on 8th part. 8th part is x cube minus 4x square minus x plus 1 is equal to x minus 2 whole cube. Now see here, we will open this x minus 2 whole cube. We all know the formula a minus b whole cube. It can be written as a cube minus b cube minus 3ab within bracket a minus b, and on opening it a cube minus b cube minus this 3ab, if it is getting multiplied by a it becomes 3a square b. This negative sign into this negative sign it becomes positive and it can be written as plus 3ab whole square. Now see here x cube, this x cube it is like this only, minus 4x square minus 4x square minus x plus 1 is equal to, in place of a cube we have x cube minus, in place of b cube we have 2 cube minus 3ab. 3 in place of a there is x, in place of b we have written here 2 within bracket x minus 2. We will open it more. See here, on opening it we are getting x cube minus 4x square minus x plus 1 is equal to x cube minus 2 cube, that becomes 8, minus 3 multiplied by 2, it becomes 6x, within bracket x minus 2. X cube minus 4x square minus x plus 1 is equal to x cube minus 8. This 6x, it is getting multiplied by this x, then it becomes 6x square. This minus sign, when multiplied by this minus sign, it becomes plus. 6x multiplied by 2, it becomes 12x. We are taking all the terms on left hand side. X cube minus 4x square minus x plus 1 plus 1. This x cube taken to left hand side, it becomes minus x cube. This minus 8 taken to left hand side, it becomes plus 8. This minus 6 square taken to left hand side, it becomes plus 6x square. Plus 12x when taken to left hand side, it becomes minus 12. And on right hand side there is no term, so it is 0. Now see here, this x cube and minus x cube will be cancelled out. Now all the terms having x we have taken together, all the term having x square we have taken together. Minus 4x square and plus 6x square, these two we have taken together. As one is having negative and another one is having positive, so we have to find out the difference. Difference is 2. And 6 is greater number. Before 6 there is positive sign, so we have placed here positive. It is plus 2x square and can be written as 2x square. Now see here, this is minus x and minus 12x. Both are having negative sign, so we will add them. 12x plus 1x, that is 13x. Here it is 13x, and both are having negative, so we have to place here negative sign. Now see here, the plus 1 and plus 8, it becomes 9 is equal to 0. Here value of a, that is coefficient of x square, is 2. Value of b, that is coefficient of x, it is minus 13. Then constant term 9, c is 9. So it is of the form ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0. And the given equation is quadratic equation. See question number 1, its third part. Third part is x minus 2 getting multiplied by x plus 1 is equal to x minus 1, x plus 3. We will simplify it or solve it further. For this we have to open the bracket. This x, it is getting multiplied by this x, it is becoming x square. Then this x, it is getting multiplied by 1, x ones are x. Minus 2, it is getting multiplied by x, this becomes minus 2x. Then minus 2, it is getting multiplied by 1, it is becoming minus 2. Now see here, this x, it is getting multiplied by x, it is becoming x square. Now this x, it is getting multiplied by this 3, it is becoming plus 3x. Then minus 1, it is getting multiplied by x, it is becoming minus x. Then this minus 1, it is getting multiplied by 3, it is becoming minus 3. We are taking all the terms on the right hand side. X square, see here, this x minus 2x. One is negative, one is positive. We have to find out their difference. 2 minus 1, it is 1, and 1x can be written as x. We are placing here negative sign as 2 is a greater number and before 2 there is a negative sign. Then minus 2 is equal to x square, 3x minus x. It will be 2x minus 3. Now we are taking all the terms on left hand side. This x square, here it is x square minus x minus 2 minus 2. This x square from left hand side, right hand side, it has been taken to left hand side, it becomes minus x square. This plus 2x from right hand side to taken to left hand side, it becomes minus 2x. This minus 3 from right hand side taken to left hand side, it becomes plus 3. On right hand side we don't have any term, so it is 0. Now this plus x square and minus x square will be cancelled out. See here, minus x minus 2x, it becomes minus 3x. Both terms are having negative sign, so we have to add them. 1 plus 2, it is 3, and we have to place negative sign before them. Then minus 2 plus 3. One is positive, another one is negative. We have to find out their difference. Their difference is 1. And 3 is a greater number with the positive sign, so we have to place here positive sign. It is equal to 0. Now see here, power of x is 1. We don't have any x or variable x with the power 2. So it is not a quadratic equation as its degree is 1.